Yo, man, what is going on, man? Welcome back to another video with your boy FatKat, of course, bringing you another one, man. As you guys can see, man, we got some people back there. We got Felix right there, man. We got my car, we got B, we got a category, man. So we out here, so we about to head out to this low-key show, little car show that my community is doing, actually, man. So right now we at the Publix. This is a brand new Publix that they just built, by the way, you know what I'm saying, in front of my community. But anyway, man, so my community is putting on the car show. We were actually going to be in the car show, but we decided not to be in the actual car show because you know what I'm saying, we didn't want to be stuck there all day until at least 2, 3 o'clock, you know what I'm saying. So we're just gonna roll up, show support, you know what I'm saying. So actually, you know what I'm saying, these people came out, show support. There's a few more people that were supposed to come, but you know, they ended up having, you know, other things going on or whatever the case, as far as well, last night. So some of them woke up late and everything else, but it's all good, don't matter, you know what I'm saying. It's the thought that counts. But anyway, point being is, man, so we here with these 4 cars. We're gonna roll up to the show, show support and everything else, and go check out what they got, man. Oh, actually, we got one more car that he actually went into the show, because you know, last week we were gonna be in the show, like I told you, and he was like, hey, he was like, so some people already sent in their money. It was only $10 to enter. But last minute we kind of changed and we said we're not gonna go. So I said, you know, if you want to be in the show, go ahead and be in the show still, man. But some of the others we're just gonna roll in later. So one guy, Tyler, the guy who did my lights, right, the one who did my lights right there, he actually still went ahead and went into the show, man. So we're gonna see him over there. All right, man. Anyway, that's it for the intro. We're gonna head over there right now, and we'll see you on a little bit. Boy, y'all sound quiet.
Yeah, it's quiet. You got all this stuff.
Oh, it's good. I love it.
Like it?
Yeah, I like it. Oh man, I popped my trunk. Close my trunk. Wait, okay. Why am I?
Lock it first.
I did. There it goes. Man. That's how you're supposed to sound.
What's up, man?
All right, man. We headed over there right now. We'll see you on a bit. Oh, that's it. Yeah, don't try to say I ain't on you, ain't nobody saying I'm hitting niggas on the seats. Your business more than
my people, here's a kilo. To the victor goes the spores like I'm Alan Depot. Although we don't fire, petition but don't riot. The critics be so quiet.
Man, so we just pulled up and parked up, man. We are back there, as you guys can see, man. We got my guy B right here, you know, of course we got Gianni. Yeah, man, we pulled up and parked up. Probably not gonna do a lot of talking. It's probably gonna be a lot of music behind this thing, because obviously they're playing music and everything else, so about to get that copyright, you know what I'm saying. So we're gonna walk around a little bit, man, show y'all what they got here, and like I said, probably just be some music playing, man. We come back after that.
be. I think that's what it is. I don't know. Don't quote me on that. I'm pretty sure it is. If he doesn't cut this, no. Kind of crazy, you know.